Now we come to one of the most important and often overlooked lessons in this entire course: when not to judge. Because having the ability to read people is powerful, but using that ability without restraint can do more harm than good. Let's start with a simple truth. Not every signal needs a conclusion. Just because you notice a behavioral change, a pause, or a mismatch, doesn't mean you should immediately label it as deception. Sometimes the most intelligent move is to observe and do nothing. When there's not enough context, if you don't fully understand the situation, the person's baseline, or their emotional state, then any judgment can make it incomplete. Incomplete information leads to inaccurate conclusions. In these cases, your role is not to decide, it's to gather more context over time. When emotions are high, yours or theirs, if you are angry, hurt, frustrated, your perception becomes biased. And if the other person is stressed, anxious, or under pressure, their behavior may look deceptive, even if it's not. Strong emotions distort both behavior and interpretation. This is a moment to pause, not judge. When signals are isolated, one signal means nothing. You already know this. But here's where people fail. They still jump to conclusions based on one pause, one gesture, one inconsistency. Without clusters and patterns, there is no reliable conclusion. So the correct response is not enough data. When the relationship matters more than being right. This is the most important thing which I have seen in my experience. In close relationships, personal or professional, a wrong accusation can cause lasting damage. It can destroy everything. Ask yourself, is being right more important than maintaining the trust? Sometimes the better approach is open conversation, curiosity instead of accusation, creating safety for honesty. Because forcing truth can break trust, but inviting truth can reveal it. When time can give you a clearer answer. One of the biggest advantages you have is time. You don't need to decide everything in one moment. Patterns reveal themselves over multiple conversations, repeated situations, consistency or inconsistency over time. Time reduces the chances of error. When the stakes are low, not every lie matters. Small social lies, minor inconsistencies, harmless omissions. Trying to analyze everything can make you overly suspicious, mentally exhausted, and difficult to communicate with. Choose where to focus your attention. The danger of overusing this skill. If you apply lie detection to every interaction, you stop trusting people. People feel judged around you. Conversations become unnatural. This is not mastery, this is overanalysis. No one will like you. So, the real goal is not detect every lie. The goal is to understand people better and make wiser decisions. Before making a judgment, ask yourself: do I have enough context? Am I emotionally neutral? Am I seeing patterns or just one signal? Is this worth acting on right now? Here's the ultimate takeaway: awareness without restraint leads to error, observation without judgment leads to clarity. And here's the most powerful insight of all: the smartest lie detectors are not the ones who always judge, they are the ones who know exactly when not to. Because true mastery is not just in what you see, it's in how wisely you choose to use it.